I recently renovated my kitchen and replaced all kitchen cabinets. Among all the works, replacing the sink base cabinet is probably the most complicated one. Start by clearing out the old sink base cabinet. Turn off the water supply and disconnect the plumbing. You will have to remove old pipes to install the new cabinet as well. After removing the old cabinet and cut some pipes, I installed new pipes using the Rigid RP115 press tool, which is an affordable option for creating secure, leak-free connections. You can buy or rent this tool, and it still costs less than hiring a plumber. After assembling the Avondale cabinet, I drilled some holes to get it ready, including 2 holes for hot and cold water pipes, 1 hole for dishwasher, and 1 larger hole for drain pipe. Place the assembled cabinet in its designated spot. Ensure it's level and secure it to the wall using screws or brackets. Feed the new pipes through the drilled holes as you position the cabinet. Connect the water supply lines, drain pipe, and dishwasher line to their respective fixtures. Test the plumbing by turning on the water supply and checking for drips or issues. If your new countertop isn't ready, cut the old countertop to fit the new cabinet as a temporary solution. This allows you to use the kitchen while waiting for the new countertop. After the countertop is in place, install the new sink. Secure it to the countertop, connect the faucet, and attach the drain assembly. With careful planning and execution, you'll have a functional and updated kitchen in no time. If you find the video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks.